Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's start by opening our legs a little bit and taking some deep breaths. In and out through your nose. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder as you place your right hand on top of your head. You have the option to reach your left arm out to the side. Switch sides. Relax your arms and take some shoulder circles to the back. And now to the front. Relax your shoulders as you lower your right ear to your right shoulder. And now drop your head back, left ear to left shoulder, and chin to chest. Let's continue that head circle. Really take your time. And we switch directions. Relax your head and your neck as you grab a block, holding it horizontal in both of your hands, reaching forward. Reach your arms up as you arch your back and drop your head back. And now reach forward and down towards your knees. Round your spine, tuck your chin. Again, reach up and back, drop your head back. Reach down towards your knees as you round your spine. Reach up and back. And reach for the knees. Lowering your block on any height. And you can grab your other block if you need it. We are coming into a forward fold. You can open the legs. If you want to go into a deeper stretch, you bring your blocks onto a lower height. Reach your right arm up towards the ceiling and take some circles with your hand. Reach down towards your left ankle and reach back up. Again, reach down towards your left ankle and reach your arm back up. One more time, reach for the ankle. Reach your right arm up. And you can lower your arm onto the back of your chair as you look over your right shoulder. Lower your right hand back down to your block. Lift your left arm up and take some circles with your hand. Let's reach up and back. And now you reach down for that right ankle. Again, reach that left arm up and reach for the ankle. Reach that arm back up and reach for your ankle. Reach your left arm up as you lower it onto the back of your chair, looking over that left shoulder. Bring your left hand back to your blocks and slowly roll up. Let's place one block on each side of us. Keep your right hand on the block, lifting your left arm up and over for a side body stretch. Lower your left hand to your right knee as you fold over that right thigh. Place your left hand on the opposite block and reach your right arm up and over. Lower your right hand to your left knee as you fold over your left thigh. And we relax. I'm gonna place one block underneath my feet just to lift my knees up closer to me. And then we have a figure 4, placing our right ankle on top of our left knee. Now, if this does not feel good, you can just cross that right leg over the left. Reach your arms out to the side and bring your right arm over your left, giving yourself a hug and stretching the outer shoulders while you stretch the hip. Reach your arms out and lower your hands down. Relax that right leg, and we are going straight into the other side. Reach your arms out to the side. Cross your left over your right, giving yourself a hug. Reach your arms back out to the side, and then lower your arms, relax your legs. Let's step off of that block, open the legs a little bit, and just place your hands on that block. And if you want to go a little bit deeper, you can remove your hands from the block, clasping them behind your head, giving yourself a little extra weight here. Lower your hands back down to the block, and maybe you place it on a higher height as you begin to straighten your legs for a wide-legged forward fold. And you can open your legs a little bit more, and maybe you bend and straighten, just getting the kinks out of your body. If you want to go deeper, you completely remove the block and just place your hands on the floor. Have a seat back in the chair, and you can close your legs, reaching your arms up overhead, bringing your hands to heart center. Take a big inhale in through your nose and out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.